Okay, I want to talk about some forensics. First, I was thinking talking about Monty Python's Flying Circus, but I want to take another topic. Let's talk about Pippi. Pippi Longstockings, everybody knows this little girl. She lives in a very cool house with animals and stuff and have a very cool life. So she's a bit crazy, so we need a database for this to structure her life. As I said, we have a lot of animals in this house, and animals are very different kinds. So we have cows, we have horses, we have pigs. They have different colors, and we can create a table out of this. So we have a table, it's called animals, we have an animal ID, we have a name and a color. I'm sorry that this is in German, but I was too lazy to translate everything in English. From time to time, we need some forensics in MySQL. So what should we do? We could go to varlib in the database name. There are some FRM files with the complete database structure, isn't it, in hex. So we don't have any time for reading it manually. So I wrote a little Python script who interprets this hex dump and pops out the complete database structure. So when we prove it, in the top is the result of my script, and it's totally equal to the described database. So the script works, it's proof. Now let's put some stuff in the database. So we have a gray horse, we have a brown cat, we have a blue dog. Blue dogs don't exist, so let's say we have a white dog. So my SQL history says, okay, insert something, something, whatever, update animal set color white where color is blue. For forensics, we can go in varlib MySQL, and there are 3 files, the IBlog file 0, the IBlog file 1, and the ipdata1. Within these files are all SQL statements what manipulates, like insert, update, and delete. I wrote a Python script for this, so it goes into the files and reconstruct everything what happens in the database. Those files are 5 MB big. Each statement is about 412 bytes. So we have a lot of statements we can reconstruct. To be honest, this script doesn't work that good because, as you see here, set column 3 where it's nothing. There should be something like white because we changed blue to white. But we find all the blocks. So at this point, even Batman is scared about this script. It's totally buggy, it won't work. But I have no time to explain how to do it in total, and probably later at the bar we can talk about it. So what to do? And we need a code review build because my Python skills are very crap, and I need someone who deletes the bugs, add more bugs, and add more features, and so on and so on. Probably from these 2 scripts we can start a project to build up a complete tool for MySQL forensics. Next weekend I talk at the Zahn Stiffer in Prague about MySQL forensics on database and operating system level, so I guess the slides will be online. So if you're interested in MySQL forensics, just go to zahn.org and see the slides. You can catch me on Twitter, on Jabba, and my scripts, the Python scripts are online on GitHub, or just let's talk at the bar later. So that's all from my side. Thank you.